Right, I want to try and explain in this video what the problem is with not having your vehicle plugged in at home. If you don't use your vehicle on a regular basis, and let's face it, it's a camper van. Not many people use it all day, every day, or every day for their normal working things. You know, they don't go to work in it, they don't go shopping in it. It's purely a leisure vehicle that they may use a few times a year, and of course that has implications on the battery life, which I'm going to discuss in this video. Right, this is about how long your leisure battery will last. If you're not doing anything and you're not connected or anything like that, it shows here it's 0.5 amp, but the reality is when everything's shut off, it runs at 0.2 amps. I'm actually sort of in the vehicle at the moment. I've got the screen on. If the screen wasn't there and I got it up on the app, it would be saying 0.2 amps. So let's just turn that back off. What I've done to calculate this is I've got 65 amps worth of battery. I need to divide that by the 0.2 amps that it's using, which gives me 325 amps. 325 hours. So if I now take 325 hours and divide that by 24 hours, that will give me 13 and a half days, just over 13 and a half days. That's how I've arrived at that figure of the battery will be dead in 13 and a half days. So as you can see, it's something you've got to keep an eye on. Right, what I do to keep my vehicle charged up is I've got an external mains lead which I plug in. Of course, you could have you could put a little solar panel on the roof or something like that just to keep the battery topped up when you're not using it, but you've got to do something, because you're going to be disappointed if not, because when you come to use your vehicle, your leisure battery is going to be flat. Yes, the chances are by the time you get somewhere it will have charged up again, but you don't really want it flat all of the time. So that's what I do, and just making you aware that if you don't use your vehicle, you're going to have a flat battery unless you do something about it. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, click the like button. If you want to see more of this type of content, then please subscribe, and thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.